out here again today. Out here in the beautiful mountains. We came to explore again and really just come get some fresh air. My hubby and puppy is like right down the way right here walking. I just want to say hope everybody's having the best beautiful day. This is another adventure walk we're having in the mountains here in California. We just love it up here in the mountains. We usually go camping and gather wood and everything up in here. And so I just wanted to say have a blessed beautiful day. Just enjoying nature today. Alright, love you guys. Hope you enjoy this video. It's kind of sad with all the trees that were burned still. Just trying to enjoy a moment. That's all that really matters. Enjoying moments. Hope this relaxes y'all today and gives y'all a little sense of peace with all the chaos going on. Sometimes we just gotta be thankful for what all we have instead of all what we don't. Just gotta be thankful for every moment. The things going on in this world. It's crazy. It's a shame. We just gotta all stick together and have that faith. No matter whatever's happening all over the world, we gotta band together and keep sharing faith. Where does she want to transport her? Oh, she wants to just play. She doesn't get to get out, Huffy. What? Did you find something? Find a little critter? They've got a lot of the trees laid down though. Be good for our food for winter time. Camping. She's like, Mama, I'm exploring again today. So she stays around pretty good with us. She listens pretty well. It's nice to come sit in peace and calmness right now. What'd you find? Huh? Oh boy. Yeah, Maple. Beautiful, huh, Maple? Stay over here, Maple. I hope y'all enjoy this little video, this peaceful moment. Come here, Maple. Come on. Stay over here, Maple. Come here. Oh, careful. You bump your head. Come on, Maple. What? Find all kinds of critters to explore out here. Oh, what was that? Huh? Daddy teasing you? Oh, what was that? Go get it. Bingo trees. Thank you for following, sharing, and liking, and I hope this video helped you with your day. Peace and love and light.